Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Jenaline Kebalayan Abuzo, 29 years old. I am from Philippines. I'm happy married. I have 4 children. One son ages is 8 years old and 3 daughters ages 9 years old, 4 years old, and 2 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are singing, reading. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children ages 6 years old and 8 years old. My duties are cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, taking care of children. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and I want to build my own house and I want to support my family. I'm willing to take good care of newborn baby, toddler children, and elderly. I can also sing a nursery rhyme like Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa.